Let's review how to use the Recipes accordion on Eater page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then open the Eater page. Click on the Recipes accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can add ingredients, list cooking steps, or even upload your favorite meal ideas to build a personalized recipe collection. Use the Save button to store your recipes or Clear to start over. You can also undo, redo, share, or connect your entries directly with Toolkit.law's productivity suite for smooth integration across your workflow. This tool helps busy legal professionals plan and prepare nutritious meals effortlessly, keeping energy levels high and focus sharp during long workdays. The Recipes accordion isn't just about cooking, it's about maintaining consistency and control. It gives you a personal space to save recipes that keep your mind clear and energy high throughout demanding workdays. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Recipes accordion.